Okay, this video will show you how to make custom ringtones using iTunes. Any song you want. Pick the song and play it, and then pick the start and end time that you want it to stop and stop and start, and then right click on the song, hit get info, go to options, type in the start time and the stop time, click OK, and then right click it again, and then convert selection to AAC, but I'm not doing it because I'm not making it, and then it'll say converting over here. It'll like start converting or whatever, and then it'll show up right under it, and then you can just drag it to your phone when it's plugged in or whatever.